This is a in energy intensity monitor agent. This agent helps the production supervisors to monitor the energy intensity risk during the shift execution and recommends the practical adjustment to reduce the energy consumption while maintaining the output target. So it focuses on the critical signals like ramp up, ideal time, and peak tariff usage. So let us test the agent. Here I am asking the agent to show the peak tariff lines with the high energy intensity. So the agent analyzes the production schedule and identifies the lines operating during the uh, peak tariff periods where the energy intensity exceed the defined threshold. So here we can see the multiple lines across the shifts with the high ramp up count and uh, minutes ideal minutes contributing to the increased energy usage. So these risks are flagged early along with some recommended actions, such as the load resequencing, delaying activation, and reducing the ramp up, helping to prevent the inefficient execution before it escalates. Here I ask the agent that what shift adjustment are required to reduce the energy intensity and why. So the agent show uh, so the agent will provide with the shift level recommendations to reduce the energy intensity. So it groups the action by the shift and suggests practical adjustment like shifting workload to off peak period, running longer continuous batches, and reducing the ideal cycle. So these actions directly address the key. Uh, it directly address the key drivers like the ramp up, then ideal time and peak tariff exposure. So why this is required, as the reducing ramp ups and the ideal time lowers the energy spike while shifting the load away from the peak tariff. It improves the efficiency without impacting the output. So by providing the real time guidance during the execution, this agent enables the supervisor to minimize the energy waste while consistently meeting the production targets.